Why was germ theory acceptance slow in early medicine? Imagine a time when doctors believed that invisible creatures causing disease were just a myth. For centuries, medicine was guided by ideas that seem strange today. The main belief was the theory of the humor. People thought sickness came from imbalances in bodily fluids like blood, phlegm, yellow bile, and black bile. This idea was taught in medical schools and shaped treatments for hundreds of years. It was hard to change because it was so deeply rooted in tradition and practice. When microscopes were invented in the 17th century, scientists could see tiny organisms. But early microscopes were not very powerful, so seeing microbes clearly was difficult. Linking these microbes directly to specific diseases took many more years of careful experiments. It was only in the late 1800s that scientists like Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch proved microbes caused illness. Many doctors were skeptical because germ theory went against what they believed and what they had been taught. They thought diseases came from internal imbalances or bad air, called miasmas. The idea that tiny invisible germs caused sickness was hard to accept without clear proof. Plus, there were no effective medicines to treat infections based on germ theory yet. Social and cultural factors also slowed acceptance. Improving sanitation and hygiene based on germ theory meant changing habits and policies. Governments had to invest in new public health measures, which was not easy. Some people resisted these changes because of economic reasons or fear of new ideas. Developing vaccines and medicines targeting specific microbes took time. The first effective vaccines for diseases like rabies and smallpox appeared in the late 1800s. Strong medicines that fought microbes, called antibiotics, were only developed in the 1900s. Before that, germ theory was mostly a scientific idea, not something that changed everyday medicine. So, the slow acceptance of germ theory happened because it challenged old beliefs, needed better technology to prove, faced skepticism from doctors, and required social changes. This gradual process helped build the foundation for modern medicine and how we fight infectious diseases today.